Well, Adam, your Fendt 1050 is fixed. Like I had sent you the pictures, the wheel itself wasn't actually bent. It was the hub that attaches the wheel to the gear motor was wobbling pretty badly. So I machined a new brass hub for it, so that should solve that problem. I can show you here how nice it runs. There's just a slight bit of movement, but I think that's the tire, not the wheel. But it's pretty darn good. And, like you asked, I put the sound system in it. And that's a John Deere 8420, if anybody wants to know what sound file it is. Nice sound. Whoop. But that's it. All done, and we can bind it to your DX18 when you get here. Let me shut this off. And get it, get the radio set up any which way you want. Talk to you soon, Adam.